to you all. Today, we have arranged a trip into the forest with my grandpa. The reason of this visiting is to collect some herbals for heel painting. That's why we talked with the grandpa. Are you ready to come into the forest? Yeah, the grandpa said that yes, today evening I will be free and you can make arrangement to go into the forest. When we going into the forest, grandpa said to us that be vigilant. I asked grandpa, why grandpa? Yeah, this village is famous for elephants. Around 5 o'clock in the evening, most of the elephants come out of the jungle. So we have to be more vigilant ourselves. And grandpa said to us that during his childhood, grandpa visited these places a lot of times. I asked grandpa, why did you come to this forest a lot of times? Yeah, grandpa said to me that during our childhood, we came here to collect some palmyra fruit and ice apples. That's why we came here. We collected some of the ice apples from this palmyra fruit and brought them to our house. Finally, grandpa said to us that this place is famous for herbals too. When we walking into the forest, grandpa pointed out some of the place. These are the steps of elephants, these are the motions of elephants, and finally, these are the habitat of elephants. Of the forest, we met a river. It's not that much of deep water, a low level water, but this water was salty. This is called as a river in this area. And grandpa said to us that in his childhood, he came here to catch some fish with his friends. And after that, grandpa walked very speedily into the location where to collect the herbals. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel. Stay tuned to get more videos. Thank you.